guys, welcome to the channel, and here the Vivo X42, the newest flagship foldable from Vivo. And this time is the second generation of the Fold, the Fold2, and here you can find on the smartphone they listed the main features of this device. This time to provide three colors: black, the blue, and the red. And this time also they also use the flagship specifications 2K 6 for the screen inside, both inside and outside. For the screen size, this time is 8.03 inch and outside is 6.53. Both use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor and also use SPU customized flagship model with 4 nanometers. Also use the V2 self-developed chips, image chips from vivo, and here's the main features: 2K screen, and friendly and convenient for office work, and also for the camera. This time we have a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel portrait, and 60 megapixel front dual cameras. And the main camera is VCS big sensor. So here has my features: OS original OS 3 about this device, and also it support 120 watt plus 50 watt fast charger with 4800 big batteries. And another thing, of course, we didn't mention is the Dell's powered camera system. And also for the hinge, it improved. It's more durable and more light. So this is a big screen and a more durable and light photo smartphone from Vivo. And the display performance is pretty good. And also the camera zone is like a bit similar like last generation is a circle camera zone, which is pretty cool. Here more colors: blue, which fast choose, blue, and red. And also they have, yes, this one is black. So which one would you prefer? You choose the Fold2. And also it supports the screen fingerprint. It's a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint. Yes, so this has more verifications about this device, and also the RSA is very light, ultra light, because the weight is only 279.5 grams, and also the dimension is 161 5.95, and also the width is 143. So this very light and super light, and so it's a big screen. The weight is controlled well. So do you like such device? Bye bye.